Trapped up egazi bazothi vula isipaji ingqondo ifuna imali ndisizela abazali ngoba ikasa lisafani nabantwana abanenkani. Every kid is in the trap bafuna imali ephuma ebank. The money is loaded with the plane ophuma endlini ephethe igani. It was loaded with a smile uthusayo yenza imali. U-ex sebenenkani bebemthanda bengamthandi bebemkhwaza nabahlali ekhuzwa ngabazali bengalali engenamali ingqondo yakhe bengathambi. Namhlanje abamazi gazi liza kukhela amanzi baza kubulala unenkani libali ngathi abayazi kudala namba phezu kwegazi wena ukhule unemali. Imeke ibingafani. You had books, we had a gun. I was living in the mud and I had to clean myself. I felt like ngisebenze kakhulu isixhosa asikufanelanga. Ngivuke ekuseni ngikhile ilanga noba bathi angisebenzanga. Vuke ngena chomi namhlanje andisoli kudala ezintwana zinganiboni bebendihlaba nangegoni. Umama ezama undikhuphe ekasi kodwa ngikhule ndinenkani. Ndazi umculo wenza imali ingqondo yami ikhwela irali. Siphendulana nabazali ngoba umsindo ukhwela ipali. Bayayazi andilibali ngoku nzotshayela ikasi nzoba phathela ibhanti bathi ndibalisa ibali. Asisusebenzisa amazwi kungcono sisebenzisa inkani ngoba indlela yethu ayifani. Nami ndifuna imali bengingafuni uchitha igazi nekasa linanyani. It's a mission when no map so we tryna make a plan. They say you just like your dad like I felt inside a trap.